Hi everyone. So I know that there's a few of you who are a little bit concerned because when they play their animation, you can't see your full animation. So I'm going to quickly show you how to fix that. So what I've done here is I've toggled the camera view, which is this part here, so you can actually see what the view is of your animation. So I did a quick animation, and as you can see, my full animation is not within that camera view. So to fix this, what we need to do is you can either rotate your camera and drag it out, or you can go into the properties menu. So if you click on camera, click on the properties menu, which is this green little camera video down here, and you change your focal length. I'm changing it to about 25. Now I'm going to play so you can see, I'm going to play my animation so you can see how it works, but I'm going to change this focal camera lens so you can see the whole animation in it there. So I'd probably change it to 25 mil or something, or look here, that's 12 mil. You can see the whole animation in it. So once you've done that, you can see that your animation is in that whole camera view, then you can render it. All right. And for those of you who haven't figured out how to render yet, before you render, you need to make sure you go into this printer icon here. No, it's not the printer icon. It's the one above the printer icon, or it's not. Hang on. Rendering. Thought it was the printer icon. Format. Yes. So if you go and make sure that your resolution is all correct, um, that your frame rate is correct. You want to make sure that you have changed the folder to where you want to save it. So as you can see here, instead of it saying /TMP, I've changed it to desktop because I want to render it and save it to my desktop so I can find the file easily. And here you can change how you want to render it. Now I'm doing it as an AVI JPEG. If it is taking too long to render, you can do it as like a BMP or a PNG or a JPEG. And then you can just use like a GIF tool, but you're going to be getting about 100 or 150 different frames depending on how long your animation is. So you'll need to put all of those files in the correct order into your GIF to make it work. But if you can do it, AVI here, check the resolution. That may make a difference with regards to how long your render is taking. And this can be part of the testing process, okay? This is part of you testing your final outcome. So you could screencastify and do a video saying, okay, well, I've tried it this way. It's going to take 33 hours or whatever, and then change some things and see if it makes a difference. Change the resolution, change the your frame range. Make sure that the frame range is totally within your animation and that you haven't got a whole heap of empty space at the end. And quality. Change the quality, reduce it down to 25% if you need to, and that will reduce the time, hopefully. Okay, so there's a whole heap of things that you can do in here that may make a difference in the time that it takes to do it. So if you reduce the quality and change some settings, it might not take so long. So then once you are ready, you click on render. It's an animation, so you render your animation, and then once it's rendered, mine took about 30 seconds. You go through and you can see it's right here saved. And if I double click on it to open it up, there's my whole render and my whole animation. Okay. And then you can just add that file to your Google Drive folder and add the link into the document. All right. Hope this has helped. Good luck. Please email me if you have any questions.